DIY miniature school supplies for your Barbie. Are you getting ready to go back to school? Don't forget to get Barbie ready with these cute hacks. If you love these Barbie hacks as much as we do, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel. Shoes. Want to make the coolest back-to-school shoes for Barbie? It's easy. Take an eraser and trace around her feet. Then cut out the future soles with an X-Acto knife. Now glue some pretty lace on the tops of the shoes and cut out the extra bits. Looking pretty already. Sew a longer strip of the lace in half and wrap a mini hair elastic around it. This will be the front part of the shoes. Make sure to glue it around the tip of the shoe and cut off any excess. Now sew along another bit of lace and cut off just enough for the bottom of the shoes. You'll then want to glue around the sides of the shoes, and now have Barbie try on her new school shoes. Wow, they're perfect! School bag. You can't go to school without a knapsack. Keep the cover of a toothpaste box and cut it into 1-inch wide pieces. Now grab some glue and fasten the pieces together. Put some craft foam above and below the cardboard and glue a piece just below the end of the cardboard. Press it down with a ruler. You'll want to do this on 3 of the 4 sides. Cut off around the cardboard, keeping some foam on the open end. Now make a front pouch. Get some jewelry rings and fasten them as buttons on the pouch. Use your glue gun to secure the front pocket. Now turn your backpack over and round out the top corners. Cut 2 top slits and insert some little straps. Now's the time to make the shoulder strap. Add it on and wow, Barbie is ready for school. Her friend wishes she had one of her own. Make as many as you want. It's so cool because you can open it and add all the school supplies Barbie will need. A+. Pencil case. Barbie needs a pencil case for art class. For this hack, we'll need an empty toothpaste tube, so save that toothpaste for later. Cut off about 1 inch from the end and get rid of the indented bits. Now get a zipper, zip it open to about 1 inch from the end and trim off the extra ends. Hot glue your mini zipper into the tube. Now hot glue both ends of the zipper and insert them like this. This zipper part is complete. Now cover the tube sides with your favorite nail polish color. Once it's dry, add Barbie's school supplies and zip it closed. So cute! Now Barbie's all ready for class. She even has a study buddy. Pencils and erasers. Help Barbie ace that test. Cut about 3 inches of black wire and twist it like this. Then shape the ends by curling them in. These are the cutest scissors ever. Take a toothpick and snap it in half. Then cut a strip of paper the width of the toothpick piece. Hot glue it to the wood and roll it around, using hot glue to seal it closed. Now take some nail polish and cover both ends. For the other toothpick, you can use decorative tape and wrap it around. Don't forget to paint those tips. Wow, look! Aren't these adorable? Barbie will love coloring with these. Look at her go! Pen holder. Now we need a pen holder for all these pencils. Grab a thick straw and cut off about 1 inch. Then wrap some aluminum foil and glue it to the bottom of the straw. Rip off all the foil and cut off the excess dried glue. Now get some cute decorative tape and wrap the bottom part. You can use another design on top. Cut it to size and admire your creation. Help Barbie clean up by putting all her school supplies in the pencil holder. So cute! It looks so real too. Barbie is loving it. School uniform. Make Barbie the prettiest uniform ever. Grab some black fabric and trace a circle with a 10-inch diameter. Then trace a 5-inch diameter circle in the middle. Cut it out so it looks like a donut. Then grab some stretchy lace and make holes all around the middle circle. Then add the holes on a big sewing needle and thread the lace through. Make sure you get all the holes and then tie off the end. Now fold up some white material 2 times over. On the folded end, trace this shape, then cut it out. Cut out the corner for the neck and unfold the material. Now sew both sides of the shirt closed. This is going to be so cute. When you're done, fold it inside out. Barbie is looking so cute. She is dressed to impress. Fuzzy notebook. Make Barbie the notebook of her dreams. Grab some cardboard and trace a 4x6 centimeter rectangle. Cut it out and trace it on a piece of white paper. Fold the paper in half and mark out the sides of the rectangle. Keep folding until you have a 4-panel accordion. Cut it out. Then fold the paper in half to make the notebook pages. Get some pipe cleaners and cut them 6 centimeters long. Then glue them on your notebook cover. Line up the pages and staple them together. Then hot glue the pages to the notebook. Get a small piece of lace and make a little bookmark. Barbie will have no problems doing her homework with this notebook. Mini drinking bottle. Barbie will want to bring some juice to class. Pretend you're making another pen holder. Don't forget to close out the other end the same way. Indent some craft foam with your bottle end and cut out the resulting circle. Make 2 of each color. Then cut out a narrow strip of foam. Assemble your circles together on top and make a smaller circle for the lid above that. Take that foam strip and glue it together. Add some glue on the side so you can add it as a strap. Grab a foam decoration piece and add it to your bottle. This is so cute, perfect for back to school. Mini iPhone. Barbie needs a cell phone to call her study buddy. Make one with an artificial nail. Print or draw a cell phone on a piece of paper and cut it out. Then grab some craft foam and trace the phone on it. Cut that out. Then hot glue it inside the nail and add some more glue to stick the foam part inside. Cut off any extra pieces and file it down. Paint the backside of the nail with some nail polish. Then trace the sides with a permanent marker. With another shade of nail polish, add a cute design. When it's dry, test it out. Barbie loves her adorable new phone. Just make sure she doesn't forget to do her homework. Mini laptop. Barbie will also need a laptop to look things up. or to play games. Cut off the lid and the bottom off of a soda can. You'll want to keep the middle part though. Print out a computer screen and keyboard, then cut them out. You'll want to use about half of the can lining. Get some shiny foam paper and trace the outline of the laptop on it. Cut it out, then indent the middle. Glue the foam to the center of the can lining. Cut a diagonal slit on all of the corners. Then bend the sides of the lining down. Make sure it's nice and flat, because we're going to add a piece of felt to the back. Now get that computer image out and glue it onto the felt. Ta-da! A shiny laptop for Barbie! She's all ready to study. Tablet case. Did Barbie lose her pencil case? Here's how to make another one in a different style. Grab some felt and trace some rectangles. Cut it out. Now draw a half circle on one end and cut that off. Grab some folded white paper and add it inside the pouch, like this. Don't forget to glue the sides down. Grab some felt in another color and round off 2 of the corners. Hot glue the flap to the case. Now we need a strap to tie it closed. Measure out a strip of felt and fasten it to the case. Find a small button and hot glue it to the front. Wow, that was so easy! Now Barbie's got all she needs for a great back to school. It's easy for her to find exactly what she needs. We're loving these colors. Have fun with all these adorable Barbie-sized school accessories. If you love these hacks, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel for all the latest and bestest crafts. Catch you later!